Hey guys, it's your favorite curvy sewist, Armina, here to share with you my attempt to make a cute topper for my Christmas tree. So I have this base of a dress form that broke some time ago. The bottom of it broke. I stuck this on the bottom of my tree last year, just like this. I didn't decorate it or anything, but this year I'm going to jazz it up. So let's jazz it up and see how it looks. But of course, I'm going to tell you guys already, turn on your notifications, subscribe if you haven't already, like, share, and comment. Now let's get into making her look gorgeous. So first, let's get down to the details of what I'm going to use. I'm going to start with this. Like I said, this used to have a base. I'm sure you've seen these before. They're usually like a decorative dress form. Some time ago, the base of this broke. So I've kind of just been like throwing this on top of my tree. I had wedged a hole in a long time ago, and I've just been wedging it on the top of my tree as is. And yeah, it doesn't look very festive. Bought a few things to help me out. I bought this from Dollar Tree. It's basically one of those things you put on your doorknob to make it go ding, 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 ding when you open your door, right? So I got this because I figured I can maybe use this somehow as like a neck piece. Aww. But yeah. I also bought this Christmas hat that I think I'm going to use somehow to make it into a dress. Are you seeing where I'm going with this? I'm going to make it like a skirt. But I didn't want it to be so red and like just a full like dress out of this, because it kind of was like boring. So my Christmas tree colors is, of course, green because the tree is green. But it's red and gold. So I have this piece of fabric that I found in my stash that I'm thinking somehow to drape around it some way. Maybe, put it on here and then put the skirt to it type of thing, if you see where I'm going. And then I'm going to use this bulb as a head. No sewing is going to be taking place with this, but I will be using my glue gun to put it all together. Let's put Shiki Boo Boo on the tree. Until next time, bye.